BBL is back. Feel the fire in the night.